break through process barriers and build condensation evaporation core manufacturing power. In the field of refrigeration equipment manufacturing, the production accuracy of condensers and evaporators directly determines the product performance. This fully automatic vertical CNC bending machine is specially tailored for the bending process of condenser and evaporator. It is equipped with automatic feeding function from loading to bending in one shot, greatly improving production efficiency, reducing manual intervention, and reducing the probability of error. Whether it is L-shaped, U-shaped, or G-shaped, whether it is E-layer, R-layer, or multi-layer bending needs, it can be completed accurately. The complex bending process becomes simple and efficient in front of it, meeting the requirements of diversified production and providing stable and reliable processing guarantee for the manufacture of condensers and evaporators. Choosing it means choosing the high precision and high efficiency of refrigeration equipment production.